Hey, it's ShawNshawN here from the artist from ShawNshawN.co, and I do eBay specials as well as more videos. Today I'm going to do a painting in the studio. Let's go find out what we're going to do. So where do the majority of lightning strikes happen? Alright, going down to the lake, see if I can get some inspiration down here. It's a little lake they have. It used to be connected with the bay, I think, and then they, what happens, they laid the freeway down. They just filled it all in on one side and just laid a freeway down, and then you get this kind of leftover lake. Before it was heavily polluted, unfortunately, but I think over the years they've cleaned it up, so it's a lot better condition nowadays, so we'll see how it looks. Check it out later. Going to go in the gallery now. I was going to record a little more of the railroad, but then there's some crazy homeless guy approaching. I don't know if he's going to steal my camera or there's going to be a lot of drama asking me for dollars, and I don't have dollars on me, so yeah, next time I'll have to give out some money, but right now I just don't feel good with my camera in hand to be on a desolate railroad track, but oh well. Alright, we arrived at the studio. Today I'm going to do a lightning strike again. So yesterday I did lightning on a lake. This time it's also over a lake, similar kind of style, but I really liked it. It's really challenging to do the lightning correct. Last time I used a yellow white. I think I'm going to lean towards pure white this time. Maybe use tape so I can get a really thin, nice little delicate line versus kind of a hand painted line. You get, it gets thick in some areas. I don't think it looks as good as just using tape and then doing a really thin cut X-Acto knife line. So we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck. Thanks, guys. All right. So for the colors, we're going to have turquoise phthalo, phthalo green, phthalo blue, Van Dyke brown, Indian yellow, raw umber, titanium white, primer yellow, Piroli red, Quin red, and carbon black. And we're ready to start the painting. right, so we were asking earlier where were the majority of the lightning strikes. They are in the tropics because they have a lot of, let's see, blah, blah, blah. Wikipedia is not failing me. It's because there's a lot of mixture of cold and warm air, basically. So yeah, that definitely happens over the tropics a lot, but I think there's more to it, but that's all I can figure out from this. All right, see you guys, thanks. All right, so we just finished up the painting. Let's zoom in, take a closer look. So I really liked how the lightning did. I did it first with tape, but then I just freehanded it. Actually, I think the freehand turned out better. So I don't know why I was not freehanding it. But I think that turned out pretty well. I know the lake's kind of okay. Not really super satisfied with the trees, but whatever, you can't win them all, right? Anyway, if you like it, give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe below and hopefully share with your friends. And I'll see you around next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.